Last week we buy from there, and market exactly followed our instruction, our route. Okay, and in the week we are going to analyze the market from the weekly to daily, then H4 and H1 time frame, and I'm going to break down the market structure, key trends, and fundamental things. Okay, so I'm Mr. Boom here from FX Billionaire Hub. So let's get started. And as per trading style or analysis style, we always start our analyzing with higher time frame to check market direction or market trend. Then we will go for lower time frame slightly to find out a proper entry or key zone. Okay, as you can see there, after a breakout from this trend line, we got a pin bar from last week, and we took buy entry that as a confirmation, and in that week it just give us a pullback, then it just reaches our previous zone, and most likely it's going to sell, because as per our breakout trading strategy, market will give us a breakout, or market just give us a breakout, then pull back there, and again it's just ready to go down. And I am going to analyze the possible scenarios for daily, H4 and H1 time frame. Okay, and if I especially want to talk about our last week entries and signal analysis, we always post them into our Telegram channel, so link in the description box, you may check there. All are completely free. Okay, and if you especially want to go for daily time frame, at daily time frame candle, and as you can see there, we got a confirmation there, we got a confirmation there. Okay, we got a confirmation there. That is our previous support area. As you can see there was breakout, and first time, and again there was a breakout, and again we got another breakout. I'm sorry, support become resistance zone to ready to go down, because of we got a trend line, there is a breakout, and again pullback, again it's just ready to go down. Okay, weekly time frame and daily time frame also we got sell confirmation, and there is a resistance area, confirm that market is ready to go sell. And if I especially want to see or want to take a look about Fibonacci zones or Fibonacci areas, if I consider our latest higher and lower zone, as you can see there, that was our 50.0 zone, that was our 50.0 zone, but market was unable to reach that particular area. It just follow our trend line, and it's again it just ready to fall, and we can continue till that particular area. And if you ask me, Mr. Boom, where is the fundamental confirmation to go sell? Okay, there is three things. Number one is Hormuz. Okay, Hormuz, Hormuz. Number two is oil, and number three is United States dollar. Okay, that three fundamental factors we have to consider while we are want to trade in that war situation or in that geopolitical tension situation. Okay, and as per you know that Hormuz Strait is going to open, or there is some negotiation, and oil price is already going up because of the US dollar and oil agreement. If oil price go high, even United States dollar also go high. So in that case, United States dollar going higher, that means United States dollar getting its strength, and we know that USD and XAU both are opposite direction, move opposite direction. I'm sorry, XAU and USD both move opposite direction. That means United States dollar getting stronger day by day, and in that case US XAU or gold moving weaker direction, that means sell. So we have to consider sell as per fundamental ratio, but we have to keep our eyes on market also, we have to keep our eyes on geopolitical issues also, then we can confirm only buy or sell. And that confirm more if we want to go for H4 time frame. Okay, so let's get in H4 time frame. So let me move me all of previous drawing to see clear visual from H4 time frame. If I want to draw, as you can see there, resistance zone over there, if I want to make them perfect. Okay, as you can see, okay, there is a resistance zone, and if I want to draw lower channel over here, from there, let me make it perfect, from there to there. Okay, as you can see there, we got a breakout from there, again pull back as per our daily analysis, and market is ready to go down. And as per our last week's unemployment climbs, that means unemployment climbs, okay, news, maybe we're going to see a small gap when market open, then we can consider selling depending on the candle confirmation. And if I want to go back again daily time frame, as you can see there, we got a inverted hammer candle, or if you say that this both as a engulfing, there is an engulfing confirmation to go sell, so we can consider Monday's market as sell. So we will see more update from the market, more update from the Hormuz channel, or more update from the Donald Trump and Iranian sides, then we can consider buy or sell. Directly we can take any buy or sell entry right now. We will wait for the market opens, then upon on or based on the confirmation or candle confirmation or news confirmation or fundamental confirmation, then we can consider buy or sell entry. Let me get back into H1 time frame for a small time frame to do that. And in H1 time frame, if I want to draw, there are want to draw here a trend line zone, as you can see, and we got the resistance area, that particular area. So in that case, that is also our selling zone. And if while we want to sell, or if you want to sell there, you must have to consider 1:3 risk reward ratio. That means if you want to take 50 bips SL, your TP should be 150 bips. If you want to take 100 bips SL, your TP should be 300 bips. This is the risk reward ratio. That means if you want to take entry there, you have to consider that particular area as a TP, and your SL will be there. Okay, always there is entry. Always trade with proper TP and SL, guys. In the choppy market condition or risky market condition, you must have to consider TP and SL. Without TP SL, you may lose your account or wash out your account. I hope all things is clear now. For more query or for free signal, free analysis, or free fundamental news analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel, link on the video description box. And if you want to know more about our services, you may join, or you may visit our website www.fxbillionaireHub.com. So that's for today. Mr. Boom signing out.